I am Theo Linnemann. I'm a senior data scientist at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. The New York Fed is a little bit unique in that it has the markets group, and we're the ones who actually implement monetary policies. I've worked with the markets group, I've worked with the supervision group, I've worked with our legal and compliance group. I like to think of data science as sort of like a combination of three disciplines: math, statistics, and computer science. And very few people actually pursue formal degrees in all three of those. So there's, to some degree, a lot of self-starters in data science, and it requires a lot of motivation on your own part. A great piece of advice I got, which I think is common, but I really hit home for me is, make sure you're never the smartest person in the room. I'd say most people on my team are smarter than me, and that's how I want it, right? I don't get to learn a lot if I'm not surrounded by people who are smarter than me. You can trust your gut instinct, but reassess your beliefs as well on like regular intervals. If we don't reassess those assumptions, you kind of get stuck with this bias, right? One of the harder things is just the weight of the mission and making sure that we're careful in everything we do, because it can have such a significant impact. We're all just very cognizant of how what we can do every day, can impact a lot of people. So I want to be careful and judicious with our work.